Finding a reliable, high-quality manufacturer for parts in the aerospace industry can be challenging. Here at SEP, we aim to change that. Our industry-leading service offers gasket cutting, machining and rubber molding in one location, all manufactured to the AS9100 standard, through highly controlled processes, overseen by our multidisciplined team of experts. We are an approved supplier to many organizations including Honeywell and GKN Aerospace, with our products being used in many military, commercial, business, and light aircrafts. Ongoing investment in manufacturing technology, including the UK's only micro-cutting-head high-precision waterjet, to our high-specification 5-axis milling and lathe machines, deliver a reputation for component quality that matches the high expectations of the aerospace industry. For rubber molding projects which include mechanical bonding from rubber to metal, and even glass, our expert team can deliver. Through our experience in mold tooling design and manufacture, surface preparation processes, primer selection, and curing configuration, we can offer parts which require the flexibility of rubber and stability of metal. Finished parts can be checked for accuracy using our coordinate measuring machine. Our staff can produce full first article inspection reports, and we also offer aircraft on-ground support for our regular customers. Final inspection staff undergo comprehensive in-house training, along with annual eyesight checks, including color blindness testing. If you're looking for a supplier and manufacturer to take your designs from concept to reality, contact the team at SEP. SEP. Inspirational thinking, innovative ideas, intelligent manufacturing.